Hello techies, this is CompTIA Security Pro 10.7.6. We're going to create a guest network for BYOD. So you are a network technician for a small corporate network. You need to enable BYOD guest access services on your network for guests and employees with mobile phones, tablets, and personal computers. In this lab, your task is to perform the following. We're going to access the wireless controller console through the Google Chrome and 192.168.0.6. Username is admin, password is provided also. We're going to set guest setup services using the following parameters that are given. So we're also going to set up guest services using. Okay, so let's go to Chrome. In Chrome, we want to type in, copy and paste the IP address, and that is going to take us to locals. Let's maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. I want to type in admin, type in configure, and guest access, local, create a new, guest underscore BYOD, and check this. Scroll down. So go ahead and scroll down. So go ahead and create a new, create a new, so we type in guest, new, the ESSID, it's gonna be guests underscore BYOD. Check this. Check this. So we're gonna paste this here and let's impute the username and password provided. So it's going to be BYOD admin and the password remain password. So go ahead and log in. So Steph, so the key. So we're going to change the key here and click next. So we'll go to floor 1, guest laptop, and guest BYOD, connect, yes. Okay, this is open. So let's maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. Go ahead and log in and let's check our answers and see how we do, and everything is correct. We'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to join my professional membership so that you can have access to my other videos. Like and subscribe. You can also reach me through my email. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.